Hi friends, my name is Sagar Raj. Today I am going to show you how Filter Mediator works in WSO2. So let's jump to our integration studio. Here we will create a new integration project, a new integration project. Let's name it Filter POC. Click on finish. After that we will go to configs, right click on it, new, and then create a new REST API. Create a new API artifact, click on next, name it as Filter API. The API context, give it /filter, click on finish. Now we'll drag and drop a filter mediator. Click on it, go to properties. See, in condition type, there are source and regular expression, and XPath is also there. So the difference between both is that if we want to write complex condition, then we use XPath, and for simple one, you use source and regular expression. We'll first see source and regular expression, and then we'll go to XPath. Click on source and regular expression. In source, we have to keep the condition. Like I have created a sample body request, which I will be sending in XML. Like it is customer info, customer ID, name, email, phone category, and customer info. So based on the category, we will filter the message for the client. Like if the category is platinum, then we will show him a response like eligible for discount, and if other than that, we'll show not eligible for discount. So let's go to integration studio and write here the condition. So for our request body, we have customer info and then category. Customer info slash category. Okay, in regular expression give platinum. And then an else block we will drop two property mediators, one for each. Now we'll name the property as discount. And value will write eligible for discount. This also discount value not eligible for discount. Now we'll create a response payload. For that we'll choose one payload factory, drag and drop it. Media type is XML, default. I have created a response payload for the client, so I will copy paste it like response and status we will give as 1, so 1, and discount $1 which will be passing through the arguments. Copy it, paste paste it here, pass the argument, click on plus sign, expression, right here as get property, discount, click on OK, finish, and we will drag and drop a response mediator, give client a response, okay, save it, go to the composite exporter, go to form, select the dependencies, save, save it, right click on composite exporter, export artifact and run, finish. So it has been deployed successfully. This is the URL. It's of get endpoint. I have to do it post as I will send it through the body. So we'll go to the resource, go to properties, do it here as a post method, save it, redeploy. So it has been deployed successfully and the URL is this. So we'll copy that URL, go to the postman. It's a post request, paste the URL, this is the body, and we'll going to send it. See, it's coming eligible for discount, and if we give a category as gold, then it's showing not eligible for discount. So now we will see how XPath works. So let's create another API resource type. Go to properties, give it the method as post, URI template, behavior as XPath. Now drag and drop a filter mediator. Here in condition side, select XPath, and in XPath, we'll give complex condition like in this body, we'll be checking both category and customer ID. Like if customer ID is platinum, and category is platinum and customer ID is SIG 123, then only it will show for eligible for discount. If any of this condition is false, then it will show not eligible for discount. So we will write condition there like this. platinum, and customer info slash customer ID equals to customer info slash category platinum and customer info slash customer ID is SHG123. Click on OK, and then we'll keep two properties as we gave it earlier. It's same, manage discount, eligible for discount. This property mediator discount, and here not eligible discount. Drag and drop one payload factor mediator to give response. XML default, copy it from here, paste it, provide the arguments. Okay, next, drag and drop one respond mediator. Save it. Rerun it. See, now we have two endpoints. Was the earlier one and now the XPath one. So we'll copy the XPath one. Post. Say we have given platinum and customer ID is 123. Send it. Eligible for discount. If you provide another customer ID, so not eligible for discount. Also, if you provide as gold, say it's not eligible for discount. We provide platinum and it's saying eligible for discount. So this was the filter payload, filter mediator. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.